Hey guys, so as you may know, unlike the iPad, the iPhone and iPod Touch do not have an option for split screen, but there are actually a couple methods you could do to get around this. And for the first one, what you want to do is open the App Store. Next, search for split screen and download this app. Once it's downloaded, tap on open. And now your iPhone or iPod Touch will be on split screen. But the problem with this is that it only works on the web, but there is actually a second method you could do it on apps. And to do it, what you want to do is open Safari. Next, search for ipa-apps.me, and next scroll down to Uncover version 8.0.2 and press on Get over and over again until it works. And if it takes you to an ad, just close out of it, and eventually it should take you to this page. And after this, just tap on Skip this ad over and over again until it works, and eventually it'll ask you to install an app called Uncover. What you want to do is press on Install, and let's just close out of this. And now you can see that Uncover will be downloading, and once it downloads, you can try opening it, but it'll say that the developer is untrusted. So to trust the developer, what you want to do is open Settings. Next, go down to General and find Device Management and tap on the top, and over here press on Trust and tap on Trust again. And now you can open Uncover, and once you've opened it, go ahead and tap on Jailbreak. And this step is actually the longest because you have to do it over and over again until it works, and it can take like up to an hour. But once it works, it'll go through like all 32 steps. And if you get this ad, close out of it. And over here it'll say jailbreak completed, no errors occurred, so go ahead and tap on OK, and your iPhone's going to restart. Once it's restarted, go ahead and type out your passcode. And once you've typed in your passcode, you're going to see that there's going to be two new apps on your home screen. One of them is going to be Cydia, and the other is going to be Substitute. And the app that you want to open is Cydia, and tap on Sources, then tap on Edit and tap on Add. And over here type out repo.hackyouriphone.org. and once you've typed this all out, tap on Add Source. And once you've done that, you'll see a message that pops up. Tap on Add Anyway, and after this, tap on Return to Cydia. And now you'll see that there's going to be a new source called Hack Your iPhone. So go ahead and search for Float Dock Plus, and once you've typed it out, go ahead and tap on it and tap on Next and Confirm, and just wait for this to load and tap on Restart Springboard. So now your iPhone's going to restart, and after this, go ahead and log back in. And once you've logged in, you'll see that the dock at the bottom is going to be a lot different, and you can actually add more apps to it to use for a split screen. And for example, if I open the clock app, I could actually add the settings app by scrolling up, and I could drag over the settings app to use for a split screen. And now you can see that I'll be using split screen on my device.